Blei pe ba si sien pen kan mau ibarit yo menteri rang ba manchua house name ajar kha khnai por badang kali ikong amperin halor ka article 371 u menteri rang ba akata ka por u badai ru uju u menteri rang ba mamanta ulajba ba un sasnano ya ka committee maneshong manyather manetibunya halor kane ka ain article 371 Andre menta andala kali piang ibarit halor kata ka committee ukba konrad ubadairu menteri rong ba u om penban ba om persna ya kata komiti.
I want to remind this August House that more than 5 years in this very legislature, that is in autumn session 2019, an opposition member of the House today, of course, that member is in the ruling. This honourable member had moved a resolution seeking to bring Meghalaya under Article 371 of the Constitution of India. Now, the resolution was defeated, but I wish to recall two things that happened. One, the then leader of the opposition, who today is again leader of the opposition, had suggested that setting up of an all-party committee to examine the matter of proposing a special provision for Meghalaya under Article 371. Two, the then Chief Minister, who today is also still the Chief Minister, even as he opposed the resolution, he did state that a government committee is examining the issue. So my first supplementary question is this. What is the present status of that government committee that was examining the issue of Article 371?
Sir, as of the information that has been provided to me right now, and as per the reply that I have given, so there is no such discussion that is taking place at the state level, sir, as of
now. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, once again, I ask again, Honorable Chief Minister, may you please give a specific answer regarding this government committee which had given an assurance to the House that it will be on the process for examining this matter.
So as I mentioned, sir, there is no such discussion, sir.
Sir, I understand clearly about your replies, but my question to you is regarding the government committee which you have already constituted.
So I said, sir, since there is no specific discussion on this, the question of the committee also is not there, sir.
It's not there. Okay, thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister. So may I know whether the government today is open to forming an all-party committee to examine the matter of proposing special provision for the state of Meghalaya under Article 371?
Sir, of course, if there is a requirement.
Hang ne pen pau shai ba menteri rang ba simlasna ya kata ka komiti wat habau ladap ban kular hakmat ke dor bar thau an house name arjar khat khandai. Hang ne menteri rang ba ula ong ba menta bala don ka 6 schedule te ompat saudawa ya kata ka an. Handrai kapor kan sebatai mangin sa eksamen biang lanengin sa eksamen hagawi pat kapor.
There is a demand, and if there is any reason for us to allow a discussion to take place on the matter, we can have particular provisions. But as I said, as of now, the state, the schedule areas, we come under the 6th schedule, and the provisions are there to protect us and our culture, our land, our people in terms of the 6th schedule. Provisions are there. So therefore, it was never felt that Article 371 should be something that we should look at. But as I said, for the matter of discussion and for opinions to be brought in, we can examine, sir.
Your last question, please.
No, sir.
Already you have asked 4 questions.
Okay. Anyway, I'll try to get, straight to the point. Okay, let me recall the House. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also wish to remind this House that recently in January,
Ibarat adil cu syuru ila pentip paladan gajala kabala pas cakani ka an UC bad lada kani ka ju ka an pas hajala ka jongi ke banja hatu kamdon jikta ya ka jabandi red pa jongi la akaliang karukom bad ka tenrai kumta terter. Menteri rangba ulai thu ba hoat kani kalong kabadan kaman perkhat andre kadan ru ajnya pher hapadan ka 6 schedule bat ka article 371 ka 6 schedule kadan laka jonga cingtrai kam kum ka legislative ka paidai haka lan bansnaan ka executive ka paidai menteri kam me ka an mat kum juru ka judiciary ka paidai ban khmi laka an ka tre kam hok ne em ilai thu ju shuru ba ka article 371 kadan bon jaj bandan ki an ki pam yadaru yala ki jong ki jalla bandan ru ki an ki bala manyada yala ki jong ki jalla kum ka an article 371 ka ba nanagalan badna Mizoram.
Of course, this goes beyond the purview of the question, but since it is an important subject and of important concern for the people, so without going into too much of debate, because this is a very, very large topic to be debated, so there are pros and cons of 6th schedule, and there are pros and cons of Article 371. Sir, if you look at the 6th schedule areas, so there are provisions of having a legislature wing, an executive wing, and a judiciary wing, whereas Article 371 does not have those provisions. So the question is, the current system where the district councils are having their own power to legislate, are having a judiciary, are also having executive, compared to a 371 which will not have, is a matter that one will need to discuss and debate. Sir, Article 371 also has got multiple forms. It is not that Article 371 is the same for all the states. If you go towards aspects of Article 371 in different states, like for example, so there are many states that have got Article 371, and if you go into those aspects, so Article 371 grants special responsibility for governor in Maharashtra and Gujarat for establishment of separate development boards for Vidarbha, Marathwada, Saurashtra and Kutch, and for ensuring equitable allocation of funds and opportunities for these regions. This Article 371 does not mention anything about protection or not having to implement central laws. My point being, sir, that no 371 is uniform. For different states, there's a different Article 371 with different provisions. And hence,